Alright, beautiful people. I really didn't have any intentions on doing a video on replacing this back plate, but I saw somebody else's video and I heard him say something that was very profound to me. Each one, teach one. So I feel that this would be beneficial to someone else that may be in a similar situation. Basically, what happened was the hose connection on the back of the head was broken off by a shop that I had custom built a line set for me. Um, they should have known better than to over torque the nut on this right here. I mean, this is cast aluminum, so it really doesn't take that much to break it off. But on that same note, if you put the right size O-ring in, you don't have to over tighten it. It's pretty simple. But got me a replacement backhead cover for the Sanden 508. I got it from acparts.com. Comes with the back plate and a replacement gasket. Pretty simple fix. Shouldn't have to do it, but since somebody screwed up, here we are. Let me wipe this down real quick with some brake parts cleaner, just to make sure there's no crud between the gasket and the and this body. Each one, teach one. All right, so there's a raised area on the gasket and a recessed area. The old gasket came off, had the raised area towards the body. So that's how I'm gonna put it back down. There's also a keyway in the gasket, so it goes on one way. There's also some studs that are sticking up as well. Put that down. The back cover is keyed as well. It has where those studs are sticking up. The back cover has a spot for those to go. So in essence, it should only go on one way if you're doing it right and paying attention. All right, so we're gonna torque these bolts down to 29 foot-pounds. Now, when you take that back plate off, sometimes the oil is gonna rise. What you don't want to have happen is the oil go down into the bolt holes. Just go ahead, tilt it over, let the oil run out. I went back and cleaned mine out with some brake parts cleaner and let it air dry out. 29 foot-pounds. do this in a crisscross pattern. All right, and that's that. All right, so we got the back plate replaced. Now this bad boy is good to go. Back to be put, good to be put back into service. Each one, teach one. Catch you next time.